In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code that sends you over to your Google form. So if you want to create a QR code like you see on the screen here that sends you directly over to your Google form, then this is actually a nice and easy tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Google web browser, and in this square icon, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and select Google Forms. Now from here, you'll need to select the Google form that you want to create this QR code for. If you haven't already created a form, then you can select a blank form from the list and go and create one now. So I'll just be selecting this form over here, and once you're on your Google form, you need to make sure everything is complete and set up. So before we create our QR code and start sending people over to this form, we want to make sure that all of the fields are exactly how we want them. Make sure you have the responses set up correctly, and then once you're finished, we need to click on send in the top navigation. Then from here, click on this link icon to generate a URL link, and then select shorten URL. Now that we've got this link, press copy right at the bottom, and then this link here is going to send people directly over to our Google form. So now that we have the link, we need to head over to a website called Canva.com. Now Canva is a great way to basically set up QR codes, and it's completely free to do so. So all you need to do is click on create a design from the top left navigation, and then select logo from the list. Then in the left hand navigation, scroll all the way down and select apps. And then using the search box, type in QR code and hit enter. Then you're just going to left click on the QR code. And then in the URL section, this is where we need to paste the link to our Google form, and we can press generate code. Now what you can do is resize this QR code so it fits the full width of the page like this. And then once you're happy with the position of this, we can then click on share in the top right hand side, select download, make sure PNG is selected, and then press download. So once that's finished downloading, we can simply open up the file, and you're now able to share this QR code with anyone you want to send over directly to your Google form. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.